Ministry of Road Transport and Highways notification, New Delhi, the 23rd June 2017, GSR 634 of E. In exercise of the powers conferred by Section 118 of the Motor Vehicles Act 1988, 59 of 1998, and in suppression of the and in supersession of the rules and the rules of the road regulations 1989, except as respects things done or omitted to be done before supersession, the central government hereby makes the following regulations for the driving of motor vehicles, namely: 1. Short title, extent and commencement. 1. These regulations may be called the Motor Vehicles or Driving Regulations 2017. 2. They shall come into force on the date of its publication in the Official Gazette. 2. Definitions. It includes 1. In these regulations, that is Motor Vehicles Regulations 2017, unless the context otherwise requires: A. Act means the Motor Vehicles Act 1988 of 59 of 1988. B. Carriageway means the part or parts of a road normally used by vehicular traffic, whether separated from one another by a dividing strip or a difference of level or not. C. Construction zone means a section of the roadway where the construction activity is in progress or declared to be undertaken, and which may comprise of workspace, traffic space or buffer space. D. Heavy vehicle means a heavy goods vehicle or heavy passenger motor vehicle as defined in clauses 16 and 17 respectively of section 2 of the Act. E. Intersection means any level, crossroad, junction or fork, including the open areas formed by such crossroads, junctions or forks. F. Longitudinal marking means the road marking which is provided along the movement of traffic on carriageway. G. Major district roads means the important roads within a district of a state notified as such by the state government. H. Major road means the highway, road or street designated as such by any highway authority or local authority within its jurisdiction. I. National highways means the highways specified in the schedule to the National Highways Act 1956 or any other highway declared as national highway under subsection 2 of section 2 of the said Act. J. Parking means the bringing of a vehicle to a stationary position and causing it to wait for any purpose other than that of immediately taking up or setting down persons, goods or luggage, and includes stopping for more than 3 minutes and includes stopping for more than 3 minutes. K. Rider or passenger means a person traveling on a motor vehicle otherwise than as a driver of that vehicle, whether for hire or reward or otherwise. He is termed as a rider or passenger, that is, except driver. L. Right of way means the right of a vehicle or any other road user to proceed in a lawful manner in preference to another vehicle or any other road user approaching under such circumstances of direction, speed, and proximity as to give rise to danger or collision unless one grants precedence to one over the other. M. Road includes bridges, tunnels, laybys, ferry facilities, interchanges, roundabouts, traffic islands, dividers, all traffic lanes, acceleration lanes, deceleration lanes, median strips, overpasses, underpasses, approaches, entrance and exit ramps, toll plazas, and a road now under construction but does not include any private road means it includes all these: bridges, tunnels, ferry facilities, interchanges, roundabouts, traffic islands, road dividers, all traffic lanes, etc., except any private road. N. Road marking means the lines, patterns, words except road signs which are applied or attached to the carriageway or curbs or to objects within or adjacent to the carriageway for controlling, warning, guiding, and informing the road users. O. Road user includes a person driving or traveling on the road in a vehicle or otherwise, and a pedestrian includes the road user. There is a slight difference between a road user and a rider or passenger. P. Silence zone means an area or locality notified by the competent authority where the use of sound signal is prohibited. Silence zone means an area or locality notified by the competent authority where the use of sound signal is prohibited. Q. State highways means the arterial roads of a state notified as such by the state government. State highways are notified by the state government. Stopping means halting a vehicle for a very short duration out of free will, either to allow passengers to board or alight, or for quick loading or unloading of goods. That is called. Traffic includes vehicles of every description and other carriages and conveyances, pedestrians, processions, ridden or headed animals, and all other forms of road traffic using any road or highway for the purpose of travel. T. Traffic island means a physical provision and road markings marked on a carriageway at or near an intersection to regulate the vehicular traffic. U. Traversed marking means the road marking which is provided across the carriageway. 1. Any words or expressions used in these regulations but not defined shall have the same meaning as assigned to them in the Act. 1. Any words or expressions used in these regulations but not defined as defined here but not defined shall have the same meaning as assigned to them in the Act. 3. Duty towards other road users and the general public. No vehicle shall be driven, stopped, or parked on a road or in a public place in such a manner as is likely to endanger the safety of or cause inconvenience to other road users. Right. 4. Use of roads by vehicles. 1. Every vehicle or combination of vehicles while moving on a road shall have a driver. 2. A motor vehicle shall be driven on the carriageway provided that on dual carriageways the vehicle shall be driven on the left carriageway unless otherwise directed by the police officer in uniform for the time being on the duty or by appropriate road signs, provided that on dual carriageways the vehicle shall be driven on the left carriageway unless otherwise directed by the police officer in uniform for the time being on the duty or by appropriate road signs. 3. Unless road signs or markings indicate otherwise, the driver shall keep the vehicle as far as possible to the left of the carriageway and shall allow all traffic which is proceeding in the opposite direction to pass on his right side. 4. The driver shall keep the vehicle to the left while being overtaken and when approaching a bend or a hill and when his view ahead is restricted. 5. A heavy vehicle or speed restricted vehicle shall be driven in the left lane on a carriageway with several lanes in one direction except when overtaking an obstruction or a slower moving vehicle, provided that the driver shall return to the left lane as soon as he is safely past the obstruction or the slower moving vehicle, as the case may be. 6. A vehicle shall not be driven on a road declared one way except in the direction specified by the signage. 7. No driver shall pull, push, or drive a vehicle against the flow of traffic except when specifically directed to do so, either through a traffic sign erected by an appropriate authority or by a police officer in uniform for the time being on duty. 8. The driver shall keep at a safe distance from a reversing vehicle and not move toward it before the reversing vehicle has completed his backward motion.